What's up, guys? Don't really know what to expect out of Friday's Power Hour. Sometimes it's kind of a hit and miss if we're going to get anything good or not. Hopefully it's just not super choppy the whole hour. What's up, trader? Been a lot of good moves today, so I don't know what Power Hour is going to have to offer. Yeah, I know, Jimmy. That's pretty funny. He's like, I'm still in heavy being employed. So hopefully it's just not straight chop for the next hour. Let's see if we can find an account to trade on that. Let's see. We got a fairly new 50K, only like 175 bucks on it. So I think we're going to do that one because the other ones are in pretty good profit. We're pretty close to having another Apex and Bewley funded. We're trying to build our Apex and bulenox backed up because we got away from Apex, not really got away from them, but we haven't really been building up the Bewleys because we were trading Fast Track, and with Fast Track having all those issues, we're trying to get away from Fast Track. Yeah. Man, there was a really good move earlier off one of Manzini's levels of the 42s. No Apex for you, David? Who are you trading, David? Are you doing Top Step or like myfundedfutures or Take Profit or who else? That's the only ones I can think of at the moment. That's the only ones I usually pay attention to. Yeah, I hate that Apex did away from the burn and earn accounts. Yeah, I just got a profit trade account yesterday. I just got to set it up. Nice on the 250Ks. I ended up blowing by 250K a while back there, Trader G. We have gotten a lot better about not blowing up funded accounts and stuff. We've been slow trading funded accounts, extremely slow. I try not to feel like I need to take funded account trades every day. Today I felt like was a good day to take funded accounts. We had really good movement this morning. What's up, Tammy? How are you doing today? Oh, okay. I just want to make sure I had the right account selected. That's all. Oh, pretty good. We're green across the board. I'm not saying we didn't take losers today. We did take. We probably took quite a. I don't know, at least four or five little red losers, but we were able to get them back on big trades. we got to the point where it was just trading 1 and 2 micros a lot. Boo. Horrible, horrible power hour, guys. This is going to suck. Let's sit through this for the next 30, 45 minutes. At least until hopefully that last 10 minutes we get something. I made it way too early. I feel so tired now. No, they were a little bit of everything, Tammy. My moves on Apex this morning were longs. So we caught the big move up this morning. So we did kind of like basically the trend line type deal where it went up, pulled back. We found support at this 40 and we got long in this area. What did we get? 20. We got about 40 points out of this. Then we went long again. We went long again at the 15-minute break. So we got 125 out of this move on an Apex eval. Then the next one, we just got $100 on our funded account. Then the Apex has just been kind of a mixture. Because then it just started kind of going up and down. Oh, I want to say we took some of this trade here too on the way down. Or it was either, let's see. Yeah, it had to be this one. Oh, no, it was right here because of this order block. Here's the fair value gap we had marked out here. We had a order block sitting right here. So we took, it was this was the last trade we took. Not really sure if we not really sure how much lower we'll go. I guess we'd have to get below that 42 level. Oh. Excuse me. So right now we just kind of got that slow grind moving down. All right, we're kind of stuck at that pivot. Got a lot of big wicks on these candles here. A lot of 10-point wicks. I know that's kind of what I'm thinking. If we can stay up on the ES, I would think we'd push back up to those 64s. What's up, Charles? Yes, Charles. That's the one part that sucks. 10 more days. That's a lot of days to trade. So what I'm doing with those last little fast track I have, Charles, is we're just going to trade 5 micros and either get $100 or lose $100. That's going to be the plan with those accounts. And anything over $1,500, we're going to request a payout, even if it's $250. So, because I got one account that's sitting at 1,300 and something right now. Uh, I don't know if I said I was changing my laptop or computer. No, I was talking about what I had when I first started streaming earlier, Jen. I was talking about when I first started streaming, I had this older, like, not older, but it was, what is that? Kind of like a cheap HP from Walmart. It was like a little white one. We just use, man, look at this sell off. Goodness. That thing just broke off. Right now, we're just using, I got it from Best Buy. It's a MSI. I'm not sure what model it is. I know it's one of the newer Ryzen chips or CPU, and we have what 64 RAM, 64 gigs of RAM. So because we're running so many different not well, we got 4 monitors, but we also have a lot of tabs open. Yeah, it runs everything really smoothly. Let's see. Not really sure if you can see it in this picture or not. I don't know sure if you can see it. I'm gonna see. I'll hold it in this picture. I don't know if you can see that name. It's so hard to show it in that camera. That's tough. Let's see. Almost. I don't know. I wish I knew what model it was for the MSI, but I don't. I just know it came from Best Buy. I think it was around $1,700 or $1,800 after taxes. Because what happened is whenever I was using that cheaper computer, I would my mic would sound horrible. Like I'd get a lot of static because it just couldn't, I guess, handle the mic plus all the monitors and everything else that we're running. This one came with 32 gigs, and I just recently upgraded to the 64. Man, Trader G, I thought that was going to be the dump, and we just just hit the brakes. Almost another basically 42 42 wall down here, because 42 is that support from earlier. This was the trade I wish I was able to take before I got off. This one right here. This was the best setup. We retested the 42 again, then went back up. I mean, the 42 has been a really, also the 38. 38 would have been your next level down, and both of those levels held. I'm thinking this time, if we get down there by the 42.38, I'm thinking maybe we go through this time. Man, as we go. Oh, did you try going long? Oh, you're looking at this bounce here. Oh. Let's. If we lose that pivot, it's going to get scary. You're long from the 509. Woo, at least you're back in the green, so you just have to decide if you want to hold that trade or not. You're long from the 503. Oh, nice. Nice entry there too. Yeah, I know you're at that decision point here. We have methodical man jumping in the lobby like I'm long too. Maybe if I get short, it'll go up for you guys. 34. Man, that's right above that pivot. I don't know. Right now, all your EMAs are kind of in a trend down. Got your 50, your 21, and your 9 here. Now, if we do go up and pull into this area here, and if it doesn't go, I would definitely be looking for something closer down. So we got the David is saying the dollar is going up, guys. So might put a I think I'm gonna wait and see what happens if we make it back down to the 42 on the ES. We're kind of holding off a little bit here. So far, no trades for power hour. We're still just kind of waiting and trying to be patient. We took tons of trades this morning. We probably didn't. We probably took 11, 12, 13 trades. We took a lot. Yeah, that's what we're kind of doing. We're just kind of waiting. I'm waiting to see what happens with this pivot level here at the 48s. Methodical man, are you still holding your long? Let's see, is that a or? Not really sure where we're going right now, Methodical man. It's hard to say. I mean, usually whenever these EMAs are all in order like this, most of the time I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, we're low, but we're back at the opening. $5.48. Man, that's a big run. What's that back? If we can hit the 50s, pull back, then move up, I would feel more comfortable about the highs. We got it back above the pivot on the ES. All right, here comes your 20 touch. So a lot of times, I don't know. A lot of times, whenever it's in like a trend, you'll hit your 50 here. All right, so it should bounce off of this if we're going to continue higher. All right, so now I want to see the bounce off of the 50. All right, we're at the 330. All right, here's our 50 EMA. We need to see a pullback into your 20s and 9s again. If this holds, we should go through the 50 next. Let's see if it's going to hold. Dude, I don't watch these EMAs so much. You can almost just, it's literally does the same shit over and over. Next level here is going to be this pivot. Let me see where this pivot's sitting at, so that just in case, I don't want to be, I want to be right there at it for my first target. Boom. We're going to go to break even. So it'll be a free trade for us. Oh, well, we'll risk a little bit. Just one micro, guys. Yeah, I know what you mean. Methodical Man's trying to give us the 548 guarantee. Oh no, I want to stay below this 20 here. I still say if the 20 holds, we're still good. But somebody said Jen, or who was it? David says we have a big buy order sitting down at the 500s. All right, looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this runner. Oh no, that's my take profit up there, Trader G. This is my stop loss. That's my take profit up at the 40s. Yeah, we're not playing both directions. Oh, okay. I thought maybe you thought I was selling and buying on both ends. Yeah. Hopefully we don't get wick back out on the next candle because you would think that we'd want to take out this next wick up here. Go to the moon. Wow, man, we had our stop loss in the right place. Come on, break that wick here. Is that the pivot? Oh yeah, that's the pivot here. That's why we keep running into some resistance. Methodical man, are you in heavy with like 2 or 3 minis? Two minis? Man, that's insane. 2 minis. We're in it for 2 micros. So if we get a pullback again, I may try to add 1 more micro to it. Oh, you're in 1 mini on the ESNQ. Man, nice trader. He's breaking out the big boy contracts on Power Hour. Woof. I'm trying to just save my green account, so we're going to keep it small for us. Hopefully, we don't have to wait to the 350 def candle to get the move up. Oh, it's so close. It's probably going to wick me out, isn't it? Yeah. Got wicked. It broke these wicks here. I should have moved it down a little lower just because I figured it was going to pap those wicks. Let's see how much we lost on that one. We still should be in the green, but we did take a little bit of loss on that one. I'm not sure what account this is. 72 there. That was a 50K. That's what it is. All right. Let's see if we can find another entry here. We got about 7 minutes, 8 minutes before the murder bot candle. We need that 13 to hold there. We're losing. Man, this stuff is bouncing hard right now. Watch Dexter take another victim. I hadn't watched that show in a long time. He's the murder bot. Dexter is. I saw that they released another series for that. Like they restarted another series. Oh, you think we need to sweep 94 first? We're at a pivot on the ES at the 48s. We got to get through those 48s, 49s. Oh. We'll hop back in here with you again, Methodical Man. Uh-oh. What time is it? We got still 5 minutes before Death Candle hits. I was trying to keep from getting wick beside this one. Hoping it goes below this and pushes back up. Man. Woo. Uh-oh, it's not looking too pretty. Might have to find us another entry here. I think we'll just lose the profits we made if we take a loss, because we're up $200 from the day from this account. So we'll just lose our profits. Yeah. Dang it. I need to see us hit that pivot. All right, we're going to go to break even. We're going to, in case we don't get up there. It's just whipsawing too much. All right. Break even on that one. So we'll see if we can find another entry. Oh, goodness. All right, we're back above that. Let's. Man, I was pretty positive. I thought as soon as the ES got it back above that 49, we were going to go. But this may be your whatchamacallit sweep that you were talking about. All right, guys, we're about to hit that last minute of the death candle. So could get wigged out, then to the moon with the methodical man's end. So hopefully we'll get a nice little push up here. All right, looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. I don't want to take no more than $100 loss. I'd rather just jump back in than take a bigger loss than what we may take. $30 seconds left, guys. I really want to get to break even here. I hope. Dang it. All right, 15 seconds, guys. We're about to find out what we're going to get. We're either going to be down $100 or we're going to make $100. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Oh, it got me. Sweet. Oh, I think I still lost $17 on that trade. Isn't that crazy? I didn't have enough time to move up my whatchamacallit. My runner came back and cost me. What the crap? Oh, wrong chart. We only got about 9 more minutes left to try to maybe find a small little trade to jump in right at the end here. A green boner candle to the top side. Yeah, I know. It's got all kinds of support here at the 07s, 05s here. All right, let's see if we get your 94 sweep there, Methodical Man. So found a lot of good resistance here at the support at the 45s. Oh, that looks like a freaking bear candle there. Oh, man. We got 30 seconds for that next candle to pop. Ugh. Might have just got your head ripped off on that one. Let's see if we're going to reverse. We just popped those 42s. We got to, if we regain those 42s, we definitely should move back up. But if we don't, let's see. Dang it. We're looking for the ES to regain that 42. Ah, shoot. We're losing that 42 again, man. We're at these. Man. I'm hoping this, if we stay low, we're looking at this opening range low to stay. All right. If we lose 9, this is why I'm not giving it much room to go. If we lose 90, that means this trade is no longer valid for me. We're taking that trade off the opening range low here. Okay, it's going to go back up. Ah. Probably should. I don't know if I should have gave that more room or not. Oh man, are you still in it, Methodical Man? We're in the last minute. I don't know if I want to take a re-entry with this or not. All right, we're going to go with you, Methodical Man. Ah, shoot. Not really sure what's going on there. I'm not really sure what happened there, honestly. I'm not sure what happened there. That just pretty much took our profits back to $2 or minus $2 for the day. Still looking for 13. All right, so this is the last minute of the oh, we're already at the 4 o'clock, guys. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. You guys have a good weekend, and we will see you guys Monday morning. Thank you, guys.